Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Karn and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all Tia Mirza wedding makeup look. This is the makeup look she wore on her wedding day and it was extremely glamorous yet elegant and simple, and she wore a beautiful Banarsi sari, and this is the most approx jewelry I could match with her, so please pay me for that. Otherwise this look is extremely simple and just a true copy. So now let's get started. First I put on some rose water for hydrating my skin, and then I use Lakme peach milk moisturizer, a good amount of moisturizer, and then I put my Stay Quirky liquid highlighter mixing with my moisturizer. Because her base was very dewy and very healthy, it was just like a glow from within, so I just mix my liquid highlighter and my moisturizer together so that I can achieve that skin look. Now I'm just mixing it, and you can see I taken a good amount of moisturizer and I'm taking my time and blending it, and now I'm applying it all over my face, my neck, and everywhere it could be possible. I'm not blending it very hard. I'm just letting it sit on my skin so that all the hydration can seep. And now I am blending it when I feel like all the moisturizer have got under my skin and my skin was really supple. So now I'm just blending all over under my eyes, and you can see how much glow it has. And now you can see my skin is like I have put on so much of water. It's like I have drank 1 gallon of water. It's so healthy. Now I just love that glow. Can you see? It's like a within glow. It's perfect for the no makeup look as well. You can create this base for a no makeup look. Now moving on for the skin prep, more skin prep, we are using Lakme Blur Perfect Primer and applying it only on my T-zone because I don't want to disturb my glow. So I'm just putting it where I have the most sweaty skin, or I just sweat a lot over there. So under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead, and these were the places where I sweat and my concealer or my foundation crease a little bit. So I'm just prepping it all there. Now let's move on to the lips. Now I'm using my holy trusty Vaseline to hydrate my lips. Now for that, she doesn't have a very chiseled or very sharp contour, but she was still having some dimensions. So I'm using a technique where I'm just contouring my face under my foundation with a contour stick. This is the NYB contour stick, and I'm just dimensioning my face and then I'm blending it with the beauty blender. Right now it looked a little bit harsh, but trust me, at the end everything will come together. Just trust the process. Everything will be perfectly fine. So now I'm blending it all over, and you can see I'm taking my time and blending it under my lips so that I can have that fuller proper lips, and I'm blending everywhere. And this is how I like to blend my contour. I think Beauty Blender has more precised. Now for the foundation, I'm using Lakme True Match foundation because this foundation is very dewy and I will have that glow. So I'm just putting a little bit around my cheeks, but I am fully concentrating on my middle because that's how I like my foundation, and that's how she was wearing on her wedding day. Now after doing the brows, I just take the banana shade and setting it under my eyes and only on my T-zone. I will not ever put that banana powder all over my face because then there will be no point of glowy skin because it will all go matte. So I'm just focusing it on the middle area where I tend to crease, where I put the primer. And yeah, this is how I like to do. And then I'm taking that contour color or bronzing color. I'm just bronzing my face because I want to set my contour which is under the foundation so that it will not create a ashy look. And I'm from the oily skin, so after a few hours it will crease, so that's why I'm setting it with the contour powder. Now for the blush, I'm using Lakme True Match blush. She was having a very earthy, or you can say a very little blush, or very little. So, and the highlighter also, I'm just precising it a very little, like a very little. She all her makeup was so simple yet so glamorous. So I'm just taking the highlighter and just applying it like a wash of glow, like everywhere, but in a very, very minimal, very minimal. So and now I'm taking the beauty blender and just setting everything in the place and just going once for all. Now for the eyes, I'm taking that brown, lightest brown color for my crease and very little, and then I'm putting it on my crease so that it creates a very little cast shadow. And then I'm taking that metallic color. This is just a wash off color. Her eyes was not having any kind of very eyeshadow game on, but she was having very, very simple yet very elegant eye color. So I'm just trying to replicate that. I'm taking that same brown color under my eyes and just going it with some kajal, and she was having not that perfect kajal or liner. She was having just a tight line, a very, very, very subtle yet smoky kind of eyeliner look. So what I'm doing, I'm here just taking my kajal and then I'm taking my pencil brush and just smudging it like I just want to be replicate that there is liner, but that is very effortless. Now I'm taking that shimmery color and just highlighting my inner corners, and yeah, that's it for the eyes. Whatsoever, she was not having any false lashes, so I will be skipping that. Now for the hairstyle, she was having a very plain middle parting and a very elegant bun. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking a middle parting and I'm putting my mang tika over there, and she was having same jewelry, but the beads were green and mine is white. So this is how much I could be possibly replicate with her, so please don't mind with the jewelry. Now for the hair, there was a very high voluminous, not buff, but I would say that hair was very effortlessly done. So I'm just doing that twisting one so that it creates a kind of a volume. My hair was not at all voluminous on that day, so I'm just creating a volume and with a simple classic low bun, and she put on some gajra on her hair, so I will be doing that. I'm making a very simple, a very effortless, easy bun, and I'm just securing it with some bobby pin, and this is how the bun look. Now I was not having that proper gajra, but I was having a white flower, so I just put that and some jewelry. Her jewelry was very gorgeous, very gorgeous. She was wearing maroon bindi, and now this is almost we are getting to the makeup look. Now for the lipstick, she was having a very nude kind of lip, so I'm using this lip color from NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic, and yeah, that's the look. That's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel, it will mean absolute world for me. I will take you in the next video. Bye bye.